bit. Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be putting a different muffler on it. My friend had his just laying around there, so I bought it from him. It's a Wicked Flow, 1 in, 2 out. I just hope it sounds good. I really don't know, but I'm gonna head down to the muffler shop, get it installed, and we'll see. Okay, guys, so basically the only changes the muffler really made was it got a little bit deeper, more calm. There's less of that shaky sound when I step on it, like it's a little bit more controlled. And for some reason the camera can't pick up how deep it is, but I'm gonna show you 2 clips. The first one's gonna be before I put the muffler, and the second one's after I put the muffler. Hopefully you guys can hear the difference, but in person it sounds way deeper, and I actually like it. It sounds calm. It sounds a little bit louder also, but instead of when I step on it, you hear it all loud and crazy. It sounds more controlled, more I don't know how to say, crisp, cleaner. But yeah. Also, if you have earphones, it's better if you put them on, because you can actually hear the muffler the way it sounds. Just in case any of you guys want to hear it better.